This is our main game today. The De La Salle College of St. Benil Blazers facing the San Pedro Red Lions. You saw the starting lineups for both teams. Liwag and Celso jumping it up. And it is the rookie. This is Jimmy Reyes, rookie out of California, touching the basketball first. This is going to be interesting for Coach Yuri Escueta, opting to go to a rookie to handle the point guard duties as Yukian Andrada with a post-up move, clean up right away from Joe Celso.
Oo, ganda ng poste ni Yukian doon. Napakumit niya si Alin Liwag, kaya itong si Celso ay libreng-libre doon sa putback sa kabilang side.
Bihira natin makita yung back to the basket game.
Ni Yukian. Usually si Yukian, post pop out, ball screen, pop out siya eh. Ito naman. Ito talagang nakikita natin itong pumoposte yung season 100. And on that first possession, hindi tayo agad pinahiya ni Alin Liwag.
That's the reigning MVP, Alin Liwag. Not wasting time, scoring right away for Benil. Kuldora will be handed out a bigger role in his second year with San Beda. Scores underneath.
Oo, yun. Ang kagandahan dito sa San Beda ngayon, yung first two offense nila, ini-involve agad nila si Yukin para kumbaga mahanap niya yung kumpiyansa niya. Ito na naman. In-involve din ni Coach Charles itong si Alin Liwag.
Parang automatic. Liwag agad ang pupunta ng Benil. Here's the follow-up by the rookie, Rafi Celis. We have a collision underneath. 3 players down.
1 minute pa lang yung 1 minute pa lang yung nakakalipas. Talagang makikita mo. Collision agad.
Okay, so ngayon, we need updates from our courtside reporter. Nandito ang hatid sa atin na balita ni Christine San Agustin. Christine, go ahead.
Martin and Go, no words can truly capture the strength it took for CSB's new team captain, Gab Cometa, to still show up for his team today, hailing from Cebu, which was recently rocked by a massive earthquake. Na ikwento ni Gab kanina na gumuho na parang abo ang kanilang tahanan sa Bugo, Cebu, katulad daw nung nangyari nung bagyong Yolanda. Sabi niya pa nga, parang bumabalik na naman daw ang mga masasamang alaala. As of now, Gab holds on to hope that in time, everything will be okay. And instead of letting that feeling paralyze him, he's using it to step up and stay present. Now that's spoken like a true captain for you. For now, back to you guys.
That's team captain Gabby Cometa, and you know, he continues to lead this team. We send out our prayers to all who are affected by the massive earthquake in Cebu. We are praying for our brothers and sisters there, but ito napakatapang na usually yan, di ba, may mga player na magde-day off muna.
Pero siya hindi. Laro tayo. Mas kailangan kumbaga, pwede mo maging motivation yung nangyari sa inyo to play better today or all throughout the season.
That's right. For all here in the first frame, Brian Sahonya attacks and scores.
Inatake niya na unti-unti. Coming off the top, inatake niya kahit nandun si Alin Liwag, wala siyang pakialam.
That's gonna be another foul here. Rafi Celis draws the foul. Ito. Off to the scorer's table. Nakita natin itong si Bonzanida replacing Kuldora. As we take a look at this move by Brian Sahonya last season, he was up and down, Big Bo. He had big games for San Beda, pero merong mga games na nawawala siya.
Hindi siya ganun ka-consistent. And yun nga, mas kailangan siya ngayon kasi nga nawala si Payosik. Kailangan niya mag-step up dun sa role ni Payosik. Tapos nakita ko kanina parang wala pa si Jomel Puno ngayon. Naka-civilian siya eh. So most likely malaking sapatos na kailangan i-fill up nito ni Sahonya.
You're right. You know, we haven't even talked about, you know, the players who are not suited up today. Jomel Puno, of course, not yet playing for San Beda. Sabi sa akin ni Bismarck Lina, maybe in Game 2 or Game 3 ng season, makakabalik na si Jomel. Here's Rafi Celis. That was well contested. But an offensive rebound for Benil. Liwag off the catch, face-up jumper. That one rimmed out. And there's a foul at the backcourt here. This is going to be against Matt Oli. For Benil, meron pang isang player na hindi rin maglalaro, si Tony Inot.
Yun, naka-civilian din. Nakarating lang niya. Pero pag nakita mo yung first 3 possessions nito ni Alin Liwag, nakukuha niya sa poste. Kaya lang he's opting to take the face up and pull up. Ang kailangan niya gawin dito is let the defensive guy play defense. Kasi
yeah.
pagka ganun, face up, pull up ka lang. Walang ano eh. Kumbaga, walang challenge para dun sa defensive player. Kailangan mo siyang pakumitin. You get the double, mag-attract ka ng double, find the open guy. Yun yung kailangan ni Allen ngayon. Kaya lang, in their first 3 possessions na nakahawak si Allen Liwag, puro face up and then pull up.
Parang naging baliktad, ano? Si
Oo.
Yukian yung nag-back down kanina.
Oo, kanina. Tatlo, 4 na beses
Oo.
binack down yung defender.
Si Allen naman yung nagsushooting sa
Yes.
labas. But that's the game of Allen Liwag. That's a great point, Big Bo. Kasi usually, pag pumoposte na si Liwag, 2-3 defenders yung sumasalo sa kanya.
Yes, may help at may help.
Yeah.
Lalo na kung naandun na siya sa may shaded area. Kaya lang, yung receive niya ng bola medyo further away from the shaded. Face up siya. Siyempre, tendency ng depensa, atras talaga. Kasi nga, challenge ka niya. Tirahan mo ko, talunin mo ko sa labas, paglat dito sa loob.
Score right now is 6-4 in favor of the Red Lions. Jimmy Reyes handles it. Reyes, a couple of fakes, fading away.
Wow.
High arc jumper is good for Reyes.
That was a top shot. Over the outstretched hand of the defender.
Welcome to the NCAA. Jimmy Reyes, former NCAA Division II player in the United States. Rafi Celis off the sidestep. No go. Oh, Ponsalida. Now Sahonia diving for the ball. Or rather, that was Reyes diving for the ball.
Ganun ka-importante yung bolang yan. First quarter pa lang tayo, 4 minutes ang nakakalipas, pero kanya-kanyang bagsakan na ng ano. And ganda naman.
Beautiful find by Sahonia to Ponsalida.
Ganda nung dish-off ni Sahonia dito kay Ponsalida.
It's now a 6-point advantage for San Beda, 10-4. With 6.5 to go here in the first. Torres with the left hand. He misses the layup. Natapikan sa likod. Ian Torres. Liwag will track it down. Torres now. Susubukang bumawi. Morales. Oli. Short pass to Allen Liwag. Here's the familiar spin to the cutting Oli this time. And he will be fouled.
Oh, yun. The last time it was puro pull up. Ngayon naman, ito, inatake niya si Sahonia. He has a mismatch. Bishop, and then nakapagpakomit siya ng foul. Ito yung tira ni Reyes. challenge na yun. Kumbaga, talagang magaling na yung namirang yun.
Tama nga. Kasi kinakausap ko yung mga kakampi niya dito sa, syempre sa San Beda. NCAA Division II sa United States. Came from California. Nag-transfer dito sa San Beda. So, doon pa lang sa unang play niya, sa score niya, alam mong capable talaga.
Oh, hindi naman kukunin kung hindi capable itong batang
May point ka.
Di ba?
Pero,
capable to.
Oo.
Nakitaan ni Coach Yuri to na kumbaga may talent or may importante para sa kanila itong si Reyes.
But I think it's important for them na mag-translate yung team niya dito sa NCAA mismo. Oh, Sahonia.
Ayun na naman.
Ryan Sahonia is having a nice first quarter.
Ang galing niya mag-breakdown ng defense no? Pero naaano niya one-on-one Sobrang patient. Sobrang pasensyoso ito si Sahonia dun sa kanyang dalawang offense.
Doblihan na tayo ng score. 12-6. Justin Sanchez fresh off the bench, knocking down his first shot. The score is 12-9, still in favor of San Beda. And we got our first timeout here in the game. Still inside the first quarter with 5 minutes and 40 seconds to go. The crowd is still here. Good sized crowd, especially for a Wednesday. And again, this is the opening day of NCAA season 101. If you guys missed out on the first game, well, you missed a lot. It was A double overtime game.
Oo. Muntik pa mag-triple overtime yun.
Sabi ko sa inyo,
Diba?
kung nag-stay lang ng konti pa si Big Boy doon, 3 overtime yun eh.
Wala pa tayo sa ere ngayon.
Yeah. Tama.
Pero yun naman yung kumbaga iniintay ng mga manonood natin.
Yeah.
Lalong-lalo na dito sa live. Susulitin mo yung bayad mo sa ticket. Di ba? Kahit mag-5 overtime kayo dyan, mag-crumbs na yung 6-5 sa inyo dyan. Okay pa rin sila, di ba?
Actually, that's a great way to start the season. Exciting
Yes,
kagad. Pero ito, panigurado, exciting din between San Beda and Benil. We have a 3-point game here in the first frame. Brian Sahonia has been doing well here in the first. Bonsalina inside, ilalabas kay Reyes for 3.
Ayun
Reyes
naman.
knocks it down. Jimmy Reyes showing off his wares here in the first quarter.
Parang kumbaga, walang rookie-rookie sa akin.
5 points already. There's Justin Sanchez, just nailed a 3 before the timeout. Easy does it for Sanchez.
Inunti-unti niya yung defender niya doon. Itong si Bonsalida, alam niya kaya niya, walang help. He just took that semi-hook.
Brian Sahonia off to the right. Ito na si Ian Torres. Sanchez on the move again.
Wow.
3 consecutive baskets for Justin Sanchez.
In less than 2 minutes, he already had 7 points. Still dito ni Torres.
Ooh, Agaw Morales
Wow!
drops it in from long distance.
And pag ganun lang. Kanina lamang San Beda, ngayon.
Burado
Oo.
ang lamang nitong San Beda Red Lions. Benilde in control here in the first, 16-15. A 7-3 spurt off the timeout for the Benil Blazers to take over the lead, 16-15. Good to have you with us. 7 points off the bench. Para dito kay Justin Sanchez. As we see, this is the team captain of the Benil Blazers, Gabby Cometa. Of course, the former Red Lion. Last year was his first season with Benilde. Pangalawang season to. He's hoping, to get better numbers this year, Big Bo.
Yes, kailangan. He's a team captain. He needs to be a role model. Hindi pwedeng up and down yung laro mo. As much as possible, you need to be consistent. Yung nga yung laging nire-remind, sinasabi sa amin ni Coach Jake na hindi pwedeng in 13 games, meron kang masamang laro na 6, magandang laro 7, hindi pwede. As much as possible, in 13 elimination games, you only had 2 bad nights. Or as much as possible, maganda lahat. Not really on offense, but facilitating, rebounding, all those small things na pwedeng makatulong sa team.
Napapansin yan ng mga coaches sa next level, ng mga scouts.
Yes.
Brian Sahonia pulls the trigger. Too strong this time. Bismarck Lina is now in the game. And he goes to work right away. That's gonna be a foul on Alin Liwag.
Yun naman yung kailangan gawin itong ni Bismarck, ni Celso, ni Andrada. Pagka nakita nila dinidepensa sila ni Alin Liwag, kailangan mo rin atakihin eh.
Yeah.
Get a foul, just like the previous possession. Pagka nag-foul trouble itong si Alin Liwag, medyo malaking bagay para dito sa CSB. Although they still have umali.
Marami pa.
Di ba? You still have umali there. Kaya hindi mga ginagamit ni Coach Charles. So, pero iba yung Alin Liwag.
Yeah. Hanggang third unit yata meron si Coach Charles eh.
Former MVP yan.
Yeah.
And siyempre, pagka nag-foul trouble ito si Allen, medyo yung kumpiyansa mo mabababa ng konti eh. Di ba? Kasi mag-iingat ka mag-foul.
Yeah. At saka, kung makakuha pa ng isa pang foul,
Yes.
ilalamig yan sa bench kapag inilabas, di ba?
Parang kanina si Clint.
Yeah.
He suffered his third foul early in the... a little bit late in the first quarter. So all throughout the first half, wala na siya. Hanggang sa hindi niya na nakuha yung rhythm niya. Naka-score siya, yes, but not the usual clean scammies that we know. Yeah?
We were talking about benches earlier, Big Bo. Ito, panibagong 5 yung nasa court para kay Coach Yuri Escueta.
Yes.
This is Allen Liwag underneath. And the rebound is snatched by one of the rookies of San Beda. Itong si Zed Etule. Nigel Gonzalez. Kick out. Kalimag. No. But that was a good look for RC Kalimag. Just couldn't knock it down. Here comes Jomel Ancheta. Had a promising rookie year for Benilde. Kahukom. It's fouled by Kalimag.
Ito na si Sean Umali, who will most likely replace Allen Liwag. Di ba?
Sabi ni Coach Charles, kung nagbalik kayo ng 5, ayaw ko rin yan.
mas marami akong pamalit.
Mas marami. Ito.
Di ba? Kumbaga, panibagong unit na to eh. Second unit na to ng both teams eh.
Yeah.
Pero, wala pa yung SJ Moore.
Yeah, wala
diba?
pa.
Miller, parang hindi ko pa nakita. Ito pa lang. Kakapasok pa lang. So,
I think we have to emphasize that these are the two of the deepest teams that we have in the league. Diba? At least yung mga projected na lineup, yung mga nakikita natin na predictions and reviews ng mga team, sila yung dalawa sa pinakamalalalim.
And paano, kumbaga, ito dalawang to, malalim sa bench. Pero pagka nag-predict ka ng Final Four, medyo mahirap, Brad. Mahirap.
Masakit sa ulo.
Oo. Mahirap. Hindi basta-basta.
Kaya nga parang blessing yung bagong format natin.
Yes, oo.
Diba? Yan.
Na, kumbaga, tama rin yung kasi yung format na yon is, kumbaga, pagka medyo na doon ka sa ilalim, mawawalan ka na ng gana pagdating dun sa padulo eh.
Yeah.
Parang kumbaga, laruin na lang natin ito. Eh, dito, walang ma-out.
Yeah.
So every game is important. Walang ma-out. As much as possible, umiwas ka lang dun sa play-in na 4 and 5.
At saka, may mga teams din kasi, Big Bo, as we see John T. Miller here. Oh, he gets crowded. John Umali takes it away. Miller. Helter-skelter basketball here. Forward pass. Kalimag. Touchdown.
Nagmamadali ito. Kalis yung St. Gudil, pero nagpapapul yung bola. Sobrang bilis, naiiwan pa eh.
Teka, may timeout tayo. Tinawag ni Coach Charles Chu because his team is now behind by 1. This is Yukien Andrada. His final year with the San Beda Red Lions, 12.1 points, 5.7 rebounds, 1.5 assists, and a very impressive 33.9% from long distance. Last year po to, season 100 para dito kay Yukien. We expect better numbers for Yukien, but more importantly, his leadership. And I believe he's gonna be more vocal with his teammates dito sa ating taon.
Yes, kailangan ni Yukien, and for him to establish his legacy dito sa mga bidista. Kasi nga last year na ni Yukien, he was drafted in the pro.
Yeah.
So, tsaka pag magandang nilaro mo rito, tinitingnan ka rin ng team mo sa pro eh.
Yeah.
So, malaking bagay na nalilid mo itong team na to.
Baga, may team ka na doon. Alam nila yung laruan mo dito. Madali nilang maipapasok doon sa sistema. Doon sa teams na yun. Oh, Sanchez! Oh, Crispin! Justin Sanchez with 9 points off the bench. Zed Etule. Dire-diretso, no go.
Kanina si Buen Salida ang depensa ni... Oy!
Kahukom with the basket. Humabol pa yung Miller.
Abot eh. Abot eh. It's a good, actually it's a good block.
Yeah.
Pero na-shoot lang talaga.
Good. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. They send it out. Miller. Yes!
Ganda.
Shanti Miller is on the board.
Ganda ng dish out nito ni Gonzalez dito kay Miller. Ito na yung ating third deadlock at 22.
Oh! Jomen Ancheta answers with his own basket.
Kakasabi lang natin ng deadlock. Binasag agad ni Ancheta. Ayaw nila ng deadlock. Gusto nila lamang.
A minute and a half to go. Amandiang Benil 24-22. Offense has picked up. Miller left it short. Jomen Ancheta now handling it against a sea of red.
Wow.
Doesn't matter. He goes all the way.
Behind the back. Dire-diretso for Alea para dito kay Jomen Ancheta. That's his 4 points.
Scramble. It stays with Red Lions here. But Benil extending their lead to 4 as we take a look at Jomen Ancheta off the wrong foot that time.
Ito naman yung behind the back against Nigel and then layup on the other side.
Naging obstacles dun yung mga players ng San Beda.
Ginawang po yung tao eh.
Oh, what a
Ayun,
pass!
ano pasa ni Nigel.
Gonzalez to Etule.
Puro mga new faces ang nakikita natin nagpapakita. Kanina si Miller. The first time it was Miller. It was Reyes. Ito naman si Etule.
And we expected some rust from both
Yes,
teams,
oo,
Big
oo.
Bo. Pero maganda
wala eh.
pinapakita nila.
may rush pa sa 24-26.
Ito ba?
Ayun naman.
Kita
Ito
mo,
walang
mainit pa
rush
rin.
dito, Brad. Kanina pa. He already had 11 points para dito kay Justin Sanchez. Pinano na niya na. Kailangan niya, yun nga, kanina si Sahonia step up dun sa ni Puno. Ito naman kay Tony Inot naman. Diba?
Kalimag.
Short.
Misfires again. Etule rejected by Eusebio. But they whistled it as a foul. So dalawang free throws to para kay Zed Etule. Tama naman. The Blazers are shooting 55%. San Beda 58%.
Wow. Walang ano dito. Walang first game sa kanila.
Ito yung kalaw kanina ni Justin Sanchez for his 11th point
Yes.
in the first quarter.
Ang ano niya, he's really offensive-minded. Ilang possessions na yan, talagang ina-atake niya one-on-one. The first one was the only outside shot that he took. Tapos puro atake na.
Ang score po natin, 28-25 after that mid-free throw by Etule. And you notice Justin Sanchez's move, he is going to his strengths. And
Yes.
that's a sign of maturity, Big Bo, as an offensive player.
Kailangan niya mag-mature dito kasi he's one of the veteran. Alamin niya kung saan yung talagang comfort zone niya.
Yeah.
Kung nasaan yung strength niya.
28-26 now in favor of still Benilde. Gabby Cometa, team captain, is now in the game for the green and white. Sanchez has been the man of the quarter, and he continues to be. 13 points and a basket to beat the buzzer for Justin Sanchez. What a show for this guy. Look at this, breaking down the defense of the rookie Etule.
Hindi totally na iwan eh. Naandun pa rin yung Etule pero nagagawa niya ng paraan. He already had 13 points, 6 out of 6.
Back inside the big dome. This is the Araneta Coliseum on a Wednesday afternoon. Second game today between San Beda and Benilde. And it is the Blazers with the lead 30-26. We thank you for catching and sticking around. My name is Martin Javier together with Big Bo Belga as we open the second frame with a basket from Gabby Cometa.
Yes, galing na naman yun sa atake nito ni Justin Sanchez. Going strong to his right side. Tapos pinakomit niya yung depensa doon. Kick out dito kay Gab Cometa for that pull-up.
Big Bo, ang storya ng first quarter natin as Sean picks Lina's pocket. Yung opensa ng magkabilang panig. Dahil first unit, second unit, parehas mainit.
Yes.
Ito si
Ito, they go to Sean O'Malley at the post.
Sean now. Good matchup against Lina. One-legged fadeaway a la Dirk. Benny Escasio now handles for the Red Lions. First entry also of the game for Benny Estacio, which is kind of unusual as he was the starting point guard of San Beda last year. Ancheta.
Merong mismatch kanina doon si Bish Maclina, kaya lang hindi niya inatake itong si Gab Cometa. They go to Sanchez again.
Ito, Sanchez. Dinidikitan na. Kaya Tule, ito si Jomel Ancheta. Lina with a good tap. It is stolen. And that's an easy whistle on Jomel Ancheta, who was right in front of the running Etule.
And it's a good foul. San Beda is going for the break. Wala pa naman kayo sa penalty. Use your foul.
Yeah.
And yun yung presence of mind para dito kay Ancheta.
Oh, making his way back to the NCAA is SJ Moore. We remember him from season 98, NCAA Juniors Basketball, where he gave us multiple dunk highlights.
Mamaw to nung nasa juniors to.
Siya yung laman ng social media natin. Diba? Of course, he played for the Arellano Braves as John T. Miller connects on that mid-range J.
Pinakikitaan na tayo ni Miller. Eto na naman si Cometa. Wow. Tinahirin eh. Tinahirin yung defender eh. Kailangan dito istapin mo eh. Hindi pwede makikipagsabaya ka sa kanya kasi hindi mo alam kung anong moves ang gagawin niya. So you need to stop him off. Stop over mo lang and then let him go on his weaker side para alam mo kung anong gagawin mo.
But you love the aggressiveness of Gab Cometa in this game kasi looking to attack talaga siya. Ito siya. Of course, 2 battles today for Cometa. Aside from this game, he is worried about his relatives in Pogo in Cebu.
Yes.
So again, prayers for our brothers and sisters there, mga kapuso natin dyan na naapektuhan po ng lindol. Cometa connects both. Yeah.
Hindi mahina eh. 6.9 eh. 6.9 eh. Yung isang establishment nga sa picture, talagang gumuha eh. Di ba?
Kahit yung bridge nila doon.
Yes.
Side to side. 34-28. All right, let's now go to our second report. Let's throw it back courtside with Christine San Agustin.
Just a week before today's game, the San Beda Red Lions went on a ball-free team building, as Coach Andre Santos told me earlier that what they lacked, especially during season, is their brotherhood outside the ball game. Sabi niya pa nga, during the huddle, he told the team that your talent will be put into waste if you cannot connect with each other on a deeper and more personal level like what the other teams have been showing. Sabi niya pa, NCAA is more than just another league, for it is a platform where they can prove how a diverse team such as theirs can play like they've known each other for a long time. Let's see how that plays out. Martin and Bo.
Thank you, Christine. Yun din yung binanggit sa akin ni Bismarck. Parang this year, mas komportable sila sa isa't isa kasi mas mahaba yung naging prep at saka nag-abroad pa sila. Nag-Spain pa sila. Yeah.
Maraming mga side trips na, alam mo yun, for a couple of weeks or a couple of days. Kayo, mga mukha nyo lang makikita nyo eh. So talagang magiging, kumbaga, ma-unite kayo. Sa pagkasama na ganun. And napakaswerte nila kasi nagpupunta sila ng ibang bansa.
Yeah.
Nung time ko with NCAA, dyan lang kami sa top. Sa dorm lang namin.
Hindi, nakapag-international ka
Wala,
na. Nasa pro ka na.
Oo, pro na. Oo. Tsaka most of my, nasa national team.
Nasa national
Yun
team.
yung mga,
It's the best of the world.
Oo.
Ito yung cut sa ilalim kanina ni Zed Etule. Jimmy Reyes finding him for the basket. Here's a continuation for the rookie.
Very aggressive itong si Etule dito sa forward natin.
Itong si Zed Etule from Aklan, standing at 6'5". So that adds to the length of this team on the floor. Cometa surveys the situation. Umali backing down.
Ayun naman. Yun din yung isang kailangan gawin itong CSB.
Yeah.
Pagka nasa defender nila si Andrada, same value ito eh. Andrada and Liwag eh. Pagka napakomit mo ito ng a couple of fouls, medyo mag-iiba rin ang laro nito. Mag-iingat syempre kasi nga he will be defending yan, Umali. The next one, pagbalik, Liwag naman. Eh talaga mabigat na na trabaho.
Grabe yung luxury. Ito ni Coach Charles as Sanchez misfires. That's his first miss of the game. Kasi meron kang dalawang big man.
Dalawang legit na big man.
Na talagang bumaback down.
Yes,
at ganun,
oo.
minamanufacture yung offense nila.
Oo, kaya lang itong si Sean Umalis nag-commit ng kanyang pangalawang foul kaya pinalitan siya ni Coach Charles doon. Pinasok itong si Gaspay, one of the new addition dito sa CSB.
This is Jake Gaspay. Ito galing ICC. He stands 6'4". Tsaka ano siya, matibay, Big Bo.
Mukha.
Talagang pangbanggaan.
Pang ano to Yun naalala ko yung mga katawanan ni Larupay.
Yun. Omar.
Ganito yung Larupay
Kasi kailangan nilang punan yung naiwan ni Roger Ondoa.
Yes.
Diba na naging hustle player nila in the past few seasons. Of course, Ondoa has moved on and is now doing his residency with LPU. This is Cometa against the taller and longer John D. Miller. Cometa is doubled. Cometa able to sneak it in. No.
Short lang yung attempt ni Cometa doon. Ito na naman si Edule.
Jimmy Reyes. Reyes attack the opening. And SJ Moore will be whistled for this one.
Kita mo naman yung talo ng SJ Moore. Jumalis lang dito kay Reyes Talagang maiiba. Maiiba yung tira mo pagka itong si SJ Moore. Di ba dito nakikita si Gaspay kung paano tumalon to. Ito yung atake ni Reyes. Ito yung SJ Moore.
Buti na ako na yung floater ni Jimmy Reyes.
Pero kung sabay lang, tapos yun. Para finish-spike na volleyball yun.
This is Alan Liwag. He's back in the game. Joe Celso also in for San Beda. So mukhang yun yung gustong matchup nito ni Coach Yuri kay Alan Liwag, Joe Celso. Siya yung itinatapat niya, no?
Ayaw niyang ipa-commit itong si Andrada ng fouls against Alan Liwag. Pero very kumbaga tahimik pa itong si Alan Liwag. First 2 points lang niya kanina yung perimeter niya. Hindi pa niya talaga kumbaga kinakayod sa poste. Eto.
Yun yung unang basket ng Benilde ng ating first quarter. Cross-court pass. Gaspay puts it on the floor. The spin. Rejected by Andrada. Miller is on the move. Oh, John D.
Wow.
No. SJ gets it. He is running with it. Moore dribbles that one off his foot. Gaspay. Liwag attacks. Sending it out. Moore for 3. Moore knocks it down.
Ganda naman yung kick-out, dish-out nito ni Alan Liwag. Papunta kay SJ Moore sa corner.
Reyes couldn't answer. Moore grabbing the board.
Actually, magandang matchup itong si SJ Moore tsaka itong si Miller.
Two talented players sa magkabilang panig natin. And as we take a look at it, I expect we'll see the three-point shot here of Moore. The criticism before for SJ Moore was his outside shooting, his consistency. It looks like he has done the work in the offseason.
Trinabaho niya yan.
So timeout on the floor. 4-point game. Benilde still ahead. This is a new set of courtside reporters. Actually, quote-unquote new kasi may mga nagbabalik. At meron tayong mga bagong muka dito sa NCAA Season 101. Marami,
Para
actually.
dito sa mga courtside reporters natin.
So mamaya-maya po, during our halftime break, makakausap yan. Makakausap ni Anton Rojas sa mga bago nating courtside reporter. 37-33. Okay, here's a fun fact. 4 out of the 5 players on Benilde's team right now at one point played for another NCAA school.
Oo. Dalawang San Beda, isang Arellano. Ito si Aling Liwa galing ng EAC.
EAC, that's right. Si
So-
Jake Gaspay lang yun na iba. Gabby Gometa.
Pero all of them are playing for CSB now.
Yeah.
Ito na naman si Ancheta.
Sanchez, heavily
Ay, Sanchez
bothered.
pala, sorry.
Moore just had to throw it up.
Wala na, pa-shot lang na.
Balik ang bola sa San Pedro Red Lions. Almost at the halfway point of the second frame. Rafi Celis also is inserted back by Coach Charles.
And ito naman yung ito naman yung type of ball game na ini-expect natin dito. Walang lamang na malaki, lagi lang 3, 4 points. The most, maybe 6. Ayun naman yung Gaspay.
Ayun na, nagparamdam na sa
Yes,
rebound na yun si
oo.
Jake Gaspay. Cometa stopping Moore.
Makakala ni Moore, 3 points yung linyang yun.
Mas malayo yan.
Nasa po. Oy!
Oh! It is a foot race, but a backward violation against the Blazers.
Na blindside doon itong si Celis. Dinouble siya off a blindside. Kining out niya, kaya lang walang tao sa pinasahan niya.
37-33. Jimmy Reyes surveys Sahonia, left open momentarily. Naka-recover si Moore. Look at the
Wow.
separation created by Sahonia.
Kumbaga mas hefty itong si Sahonia kaysa kay SJ. Kaya lang, hindi rin basta-basta itong si SJ.
Marunong gumamit ng katawan si
Kumbaga
Sahonia.
lalaban din to pagdating sa ganyan. Kaya lang, talagang the experience of Sahonia, yung tibay.
Inside pass. Gaspay. Mismatch yun dahil si Reyes yung nasa likod niya.
Good recognition para dito sa mga tao ng CSB na nakita nilang may mismatch itong si Ito yung poste kanina ni Sahonia. Isang back down. Atras si SJ Moore. Talaga masasabi mo na matibay din itong si Sahonia dahil SJ Moore yung defender niya eh. Pero kumbaga pinagpag eh. Di ba? Ito si Gaspay. Double.
Kalimag with the help.
Yun lang.
And Kalimag gets it. Ito si Nigel Gonzalez. Sanbeda looking to tie the game. Rafi Celis crashing to the sideline.
Muntik na mabangga yung ating referee doon sa sideline.
Yan natin yung encuentro dito. RC Kalimag. Yeah, Rafi Celis trying to take it.
Ganda nung anticipation niya doon sa passing lane. Kaya lang, sobrang dikit na sa sideline.
Yeah. Of course, Rafi Celis is from Ateneo de Cebu. Ayan, sila yung tandem doon dati ni J House, Jared Bahay. Kalimag off the catch. Kalimag connects.
Yun naman.
Nice looking shot by RC Kalimag.
In our game today, mas marami yung one-on-one kaysa sa set plays eh. You can see na puro atake. And ang kagandahan din sa mga defender, hindi rin sila basta-basta naiiwan. Naandun pa rin sila, kaya lang mas better yung ginagawa nito offensive player. Ito naman si Alan Liwa.
Called for excessive steps.
Kala ko, foul ang tinawag doon kay Celso, pero traveling pala.
Nabanggit mo, Big Bo, mas marami tayong ISO play dito.
Yes.
And ang i-expect natin, mas mababa yung field goal percentage. Hindi, mataas pa
Hindi
rin.
mataas eh. Kasi nga, most of their one-on-one plays, nagiging successful sila eh. Kahit na yung defender na andun, ginagawa na lang nila ng paraan. Pero, they tend to make the basket eh. Kaya okay lang din eh.
50% for Benil, 56% for San Beda so far. Celso against Liwa.
Yun naman.
Lefty hook is good for Joe Celso.
Talagang china-challenge nila itong si Derando. In the previous play, they ran this, the what we call Spain. And then, dish off dito kay Celso. Ito naman si Gaspay. Wala.
Rafi Celis getting the offensive rebound. No good for the rookie. Isa pa para kay Celis.
Yun naman.
And Rafi Celis on the second serving.
Kahit na andun si Celso talagang pinagpag din niya.
Oo.
Ito yung tira ni Gaspay, wala. Rebound itong si Rafi Celis. First attempt, wala. Nandun si Alan Liwag, kinuha niya. Inusog niya si Celso.
At kaya kahit sa lalim ng team, lalong-lalo na ng frontline nitong Benil Blazers, itong rookie na si Rafi Celis yung pinagkakatiwalaan ni Coach
Yes,
Charles.
oo. And ang ano nito, itong si Celis, matututo to kay Sanchez. Kasi they were in the same position. Kaya lang, ang magiging problema mo din pag pinagsabay mo itong dalawa to. Di ba? Celis and Sanchez at the same time sa hindi ang lalaki niya. Tapos Liwag, you have this Gaspay. Di ba?
Meron pa yan sa bench. May mga hindi pa ginagamit.
Oo, meron pa. Marami.
Eusebio, 6'5".
Mhm.
So this is a very...
Tapos wala pa si Tony Enod dyan.
Wala pa.
Kumbaga, it's a good problem para dito kay Coach Charles kung paano niya paano mo ngayon i-manage yung playing time ng mga yan.
Precisely.
Diba?
But Sanbeda is still in control here. Eto. Scramble. Joe Celso. Good hustle. Mula kay Joe Celso. So,
Kapag ito foul kay Alin Liwag, that's his second. Pareha sila ni Sean Umali. Tig-dalawa na. Both bigs nitong CSP. Medyo ano sa foul trouble. And ano to, mortal sin to na makukuha ng kanang offensive rebound o pa free throw.
and this is red alert for Benil because Liwag is actually one of their main players na isa sa mga bumubuhay sa sistema ng Benil.
Pagka ito nag-foul trouble, medyo maiiba yung takbo nito CSP.
And at this point, Big Bo, we have to commend because Sanbeda is outworking Benil. Talagang tinatrabaho nila lahat. The little things are being done here by the Red Lions.
Kumbaga hindi sila natatakot eh. Naandun na sila.
Kaya tatlo ang abante nila dito after being down just a few minutes ago. Ian Torres. Teka, may foul. Kalimag ang tatawagan.
Hindi pa binabalik ni Coach Charles ito si Justin Sanchez na napakainit ng first quarter natin. 13 points agad.
Only took one shot in that second quarter. Or in this second quarter, rather.
Dito na siya nag-rely na siya dito kay Rafi Celis sa second quarter natin.
John T. Miller is back in the game. Sanbeda will double down on offense. Torres will attack. Torres again missing the lefty layup. Brian Sahonia handles. Sahonia!
No! Malakas.
Gonzalez tracks it down. Sahonia outside. You can! Nope. Too strong.
Good box out para dito kay Alin Liwag to secure that rebound.
Torres. Rafi Celis now from the left side. Against a smaller Gonzalez. Pull-up jumper is cash for Celis.
Yes. Sabi ko pa ball screen, hindi niya masyadong napagpag yung defender niya doon. Kaya lang masyado namang mababa yung defender. Kaya ang taas din tumalun eh. Kaya hindi mo rin masusupalpan talaga eh.
John T. Miller will try to answer. Mitty trickles in for Miller.
Same offense, ball screen, going to his left. One dribble, pull up. Hindi mo rin masusupalpal, hindi malakas din tumalon.
7 points now for John T. Miller off the bench.
Hindi makuha ni Alin Liwag yung rhythm niya on offense. And then pinag-uusapan natin kanina, si Justin Sanchez. Pinalik na ni Coach Charles dahil medyo shaky. Shaky ang offense nila. Ito yung atake kanina ni Rafi Celis. Masyado mababa sa Sahonia.
Pull up for the rookie, John T. Miller, against two defenders.
Naka-challenge na doon si Gaspay eh. Pero talagang iba rin yung may jeans, Brad. Iba rin yung may lahi.
Good looking shot coming from Miller. Gonzalez.
They're really looking for Miller. Dito sa natin. Ito, coming up a staggered.
Mukhang siya magiging focal point. Miller. No. Off the bank. Off. But they get it back. Fresh 14 for Sanbeda is down to 9. Gonzalez. Inside pass for Bismarck Lina. Stolen away. Forward pass. Liwag. Puts it down.
Ganda nung leak out doon ni Allen Liwag. Kaming ka pa fumble. Nakuha nyo nito ni Torres.
Miller.
Ito na naman.
No. Medyo lumamig na dito si John T. Miller.
Pero yung kumpiyansa na doon eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Walang hesitation eh. Pag nakakita ng konting kuwang, alam niyang hindi siya aabutin ng jump sa paitira niya. Ito yung fast break nito ni Allen Liwag.
Good recognition from the rookie. Rapi Celis, he was the one who threw the forward pass.
Ito pa yung first lock natin. Galing dito sa season 101. Uy,
Ooh. People getting tangled up underneath. There's a push.
it's on Oli.
And Oli will be called for this one.
Oli against... Who's that? Sino mag-free throws? Nakakatuwa lang eh dito sa dito sa NCAA to be exact. Kasi first 2 games ng NCAA. No, close game. Tsaka natutuwa ako, Brad, kasi dalawang babae na na referee ang tumatawag.
Yeah.
Di ba?
That's
Dalawang ganun katiwala yung commissioner natin sa mga referee babae.
Yeah. Yan.
Yun yung napansin ko sa first game, isa. Dito sa second game natin, meron din.
And of course, we're mixing it up this season. Nakita ko dito isa sa mga legend natin ng international referee, si Bong Pascual.
Yes.
Siya yung nakamando dito. At
Alam niya
nakabantay sa
lahat
mga
yan,
ref natin.
Brian. Kasi nag-referee na yan sa kung saan saan. Even, sa tingin ko, nag-referee na sa USA ito eh.
Olympics and
Diba? Sa
World
Olympics
Cup.
eh.
Yeah,
Yes, oo.
for sure. 46-43. Justin Sanchez, drop off, Liwag.
Oy! Sayang.
Just keep the lid. Lumabas para kay Allen Liwag.
Hinayang si Coach Charles. Kasi nilang pilihan itong ni Celis yung ring. Akala niya pasok eh. Ito. Pero wala, sa labas na yun.
Malabas na talaga.
Oo, palabas na.
But I like the play of Justin Sanchez right now. You know, if he's not scoring or if he's not taking shots, he is attracting the defense, finding his teammates.
Yes, ito yung lady referee natin. Di ba?
Yeah. So, a second female referee today.
First 2 games.
First 2 games.
NCAA in season 101.
And they've been doing a fantastic job so far. Trying to keep everything in control.
Yes. Mahirap. Ang isa sa ano ko sa experience ko in the pros. Ang hirap reklamuhan ng babae, Brad. Parang kumbaga, mamaya biglang umiyak eh. Di ba? So malaking bagay. Malaking bagay na babae yung referee.
Yeah. Oh, Allen Liwag misses both. And this is Nigel Gonzalez getting the rebound here. Gonzalez, short shot for Gonzalez. 14 and a half left. Final shot time for Benil. They're down by 5. Torres. Inside pass and just off the glass and in.
Tuloy-tuloy ang mainit na simula nito ni Justin Sanchez. Kanina addition siya kay Allen Liwag. Kaya lang hindi na-convert yung dalawang free throws. Pero eto, pagdating ng dulo, sinigurado niya. He got the mismatch. Good recognition by Torres. Naandun, tatlo pa ang defender. Pero mas nanaig pa rin itong si Justin Sanchez who was 15 already dito sa first half.
But it is the well-balanced attack of the Red Lions prevailing so far, 48-45. Okay, so as promised, mamaya po makikilala nyo ang ating mga courtside reporters dito sa NCAA Season 101 and of course the numbers, the important stats coming your way after this break.